You asked how to buy shares of Investeringsselskabet Luxor AS. This company is listed on CBOE EU under the ticker LuxORB, CO. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and then add funds to your account. Use the platform search tool and type the ticker LUXORB CO. Locate the listing that matches the CBOE EU market and select the result that corresponds to Investeringsselskabet Luxor AS. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct security. Check the market designation and ticker one more time before proceeding. Choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the platform will allow you to schedule or place a pending order. If you do not have sufficient funds, eToro will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the video description if you want to explore the platform used as an example.